Here is the finished weekly report. Headline numbers, category performance, and the weekly pattern in one view. For a small team, the right tool removes reporting work that still wastes time. Spreadsheets are flexible, but refreshing and rebuilding stay manual. Data refresh tools move new numbers into place. Business intelligence platforms handle more complex systems but need more setup. For recurring files, ask one question. Can the tool build a report your team can check and send? This began with one uploaded CSV containing 643 orders. An uploaded file is a snapshot, so next week's file must be uploaded again. It does not update in real time. This is the exact request used for the build, shown again without sending it. Revenue, order count, refund rate, category performance, and a weekly breakdown. Anomaly checked the source first. It found 48 refunded orders among 643 total orders, producing the 7.5% shown. The saved calculation explains the rate. Distinct refunded orders divided by all distinct orders in the selected period. The example code shows how that definition is applied, so a reviewer can inspect the logic behind the number. The data view shows those 48 refunded rows. Together with the full set of 643 orders, they produce the displayed rate. After the checks, the same work becomes a PDF report. It carries the summary, key measures, and charts into a document without rebuilding the analysis by hand. This fits a small team repeating the same report. Analyze the source, check each number, assemble the view, and deliver the result. It does not stream data or send to Slack. The full comparison is linked below, including when a spreadsheet, refresh tool, business intelligence platform, or anomaly fits.